break in the rain here after 12 hours of downpours. So we're going to make a little walk here. I'm in a gravel parking lot, so no danger of getting stuck in the mud, though it is pretty damp. But I think we'll be okay. Came down a big hill. When I got here yesterday, there were a couple of cars parked at the end. That's why I came back up to the parking lot. That looks like they're gone. So this is part of Painted Rock Conservation Area. Big area. This is typical. There's all these little access roads in it. That looks slippery. I don't think I'm gonna walk down there. But when it's dry, I bet that's a nice little camping spot. Looks like it's well used. The water is a little higher than it was yesterday. I think this is a pond, not part of the river. But I think we can get to the river down this way. Looks like another little campsite on the other side there. Somewhere in this reserve there's like RV type spots, but I wasn't able to find them yesterday. Excuse me. It was getting late. So I just tucked in here. Yeah, we can get to that other campsite from this side here. Walk along the berm. There's the river. The Osage River. Again, it's been raining for 12 hours and I don't want to walk down a wet embankment and get myself in trouble. I'm gonna pick up this trash though. Super pretty little spot.